Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw from EFSane without paying 1 USDT as transaction charges. Go to your spot account, and in your spot account or assets, click on Flash Swap, and in Flash Swap just select the maximum number of gems you wish to convert to PHY. Then click on Confirm. Scroll down again and click on Confirm. Now we have swapped successfully into PHY. Remember, any swap you make, there is a 5% attached to it. So now we are going to withdraw, and for this, you need a verified MEXC exchange, and then click on deposit, click on on-chain deposit, then you're going to search for PHY. You can already see PHY in my search history, but for those of us doing this for the first time, search for PHY. Then you get your address, just copy the deposit address. It's on Binance Smart Chain. So you paste that address. You can see the handling fee is 0.5 PHY. Then now you have to get a code sent to you. So I'm going to put the code here. It was sent to my number. And after clicking confirm, I've withdrawn successfully. So look at the time. The time is 12 minutes past 10. So let's see how long it's going to take. So it took 2 minutes. It's now 14 minutes past 10. And it's processing. It's pre-crediting, and finally deposit is successful. It took a total of 3 minutes for this to happen, but the deposit happened on the second minute. So you go to trade, and what you want to do is sell. Use the market, change it from limit to market, select everything. Now, one thing you should note is that this coin is volatile, so it goes up and down. So if you want to wait for it to bounce back to the price, then you will actually make very good profit. So you can see I've spent less than $1 in doing all of this, including the handling fee. Good luck.